Hey team, hey, welcome back to Strong Fencing and Gates. Today we're looking at this custom designed gate. Just excuse the wind, it's a little bit windy. This one actually was designed with the customer, so we have a lot of designs that you can choose from, but we also have the ability to custom make pretty much any design you want. This customer wanted the look of a double gate, so as you can see how there's two different bars in the middle. Looks like a double gate, but it's actually a single gate, a single sliding gate. So that's the design feature that we came up with. This one's got a slightly sloped bottom, and you can see that we've set it to have a soft close at the end, and that's what the soft close looks like. This one's set to one click open, one click close, which is what I recommend. You can do auto close, but it's a little bit of a responsibility if you use auto close in case somebody else is coming home. You want to make sure that you don't end up crashing the gate into the car. That's why we have these safety beams. You can see the safety beams on the posts over there. It's a laser beam. One thing to watch out for them is the battery's going flat, because it's actually a wireless unit, so if the battery goes flat, the whole entire thing stops working. But the battery lasts for a couple of years. And also we provide a service where we come out and change batteries and fix things up. This one's also got a keypad, and as you can see, this is it's got a little a rear mounted track. It's a slide track, and what happens is the nylon track actually slides in and out of here. And normally with gates you have the what's called a roller, an overhead roller or a side roller, but this one's actually got this little nylon guide track at the back. The reason for that is there's actually no way to put a roller in there, because you can see how the top goes on a weird angle, so you couldn't put an overhead. You could potentially put side rollers on it, but these are pretty cool. They're pretty solid. They slide up and down on the inside, and there's a little track on the back right there. Yeah, that's basic rundown of this gate. It's a custom designed gate, and we can do pretty much any design you want. If you're interested in sliding gates, automatic gates, double gates, entrance gates, let us know and we can give you a quote. That's at strongfencing.co.nz.